We tend as organizations to chase performance, and then we think about development as an afterthought. And the model we're trying to get you guys to think about is moving into a development-focused model, and performance follows.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Institute's monthly update. Today, I'll be recapping all the events we had in March and sharing what's coming up in April. There's a lot to cover, so let's dive in. From March 6th through the 9th, the Institute was in full force at the Vision High-Tech Training and Expo in Overland Park, Kansas. This is one of the premier events for the industry, and we were happy to present a lot of valuable training for automotive professionals. Our founder, Cecil Bullard, was there training on sales and financials for shop owners. Jimmy Lee brought phone communications for conversions to service advisors. Our head advisor coach, Mark Sewell, brought with him communication skills, sales tactics, and how to build trust with customers. Aaron Woods, one of the head facilitators for our Gear Performance Group. Now, this is an owner-driven peer performance group where they do on-site evaluations for the members there. He brought his real-world experience to shop operators on how to improve your productivity skills. From March 17th to the 19th, we hosted another leadership intensive at the Institute HQ in Ogden, Utah. This is an immersive in-person training that helps shop owners and managers develop their leadership skills, improve communication, and build high-performing teams, all backed by human psychology. One of the standout moments of this specific leadership intensive was getting to host Hall of Fame speaker Dan Clark, one of our 3 keynote speakers at the summit, alongside some incredible shop owners and managers from across the country. While Michael laid down the human development foundations, Dan drove the messages home with emotion-inducing stories that brought it all together, making the leadership intensive experience even more impactful. Make sure to register for the next leadership intensive as they are filling up and we are limited with seating at all of these events. Then from March 21st to the 23rd, we were at the Automotive Training Expo, ATE, in Seattle, Washington, where the Institute led several impactful sessions for NOACA. Unfortunately, Cecil, our founder, was unable to attend this year's ATE, I think probably the first time in 20 years, but it was okay. Aaron Woods, our head facilitator for the Manager Performance Group, stepped in to show automotive professionals how to improve their productivity. I myself shared how to manage your most important resource, which was your time, as well as how to develop and implement SOPs. Our advisor instructor, Mark Sewell, covered how to improve your communications within the shop, as well as how to present more effectively to build customer trust. One of the highlights was definitely Michael Smith's keynote. He was covering the massive industry shifts due to the retiring baby boomers and how shop owners can prepare for the changes that are already happening in our industry. On March 25th through the 26th, we hosted another of our Gear Performance Group meetings in Dallas, Texas. These groups are owners that are focused on advanced operational strategies and financial planning. It's like having your own board of directors of top performing automotive professionals to help advise you on making the best decisions with your business. March 26th, Leading Edge webinar series, Juliana C. presented on the golden rules of listening. This is helping shop owners and their business partners improve communications and avoid common pitfalls. April is packed with some exciting training sessions, regional meetings, and business development opportunities. Here's what's coming up. On April 2nd, we kick off the Institute webinar series, Leading Edge, featuring David Boyd from Inbound Communications. We're going to be covering some cutting-edge strategies for shop owners within phone systems and voice over IP. With David, we'll cover the spam control, marketing intelligence, AI-powered call analytics, call recordings, and integrating with your shop management platform. From April 9th to the 11th, we're hosting an MPG, that's the Manager Performance Groups, at the Institute HQ in Ogden. This is an in-person meeting that deep dives into management performance, shop operations, and leadership development for managers and key leaders within your business. Then on April 11th, we're going to be speaking at the Auto Leap Amplify Online Conference. We have 3 speakers lined up: Cecil Bullard, Mark Sewell, and Michael Smith. Make sure to check out the Amplify registration page for more information about our classes. The Leading Edge continues on April 16th with Derek Van Ness, who will provide an invaluable insight into business strategy and financial planning. From April 24th to 25th, I'm so excited. We're going to be hosting our round 1 of the Mergers and Acquisitions meeting in Salt Lake City, Utah. This meeting is specifically designed for shop owners considering mergers, acquisitions, or strategic growth planning. If this sounds like something that you're interested in learning more about, please email info@wearetheinstitute.com for more information. Then, from April 28th to the 30th, we'll have the next Leadership Intensive in Salt Lake City, Utah. Again, this program is perfect for shop owners and managers that are looking to enhance their leadership capabilities. It's about building that intrinsic motivation with employees versus trying to force them to do what you need them to do in the business. And this gives you all of the human psychology to help you manage and improve and develop professionals in your business. The Leading Edge continues with Eric Yorn from Kaizen CPA and Advisors on April 30th. He's going to be bringing essential financial strategies for shop owners and tax strategies that you can employ that'll save you thousands of dollars each and every year. If you missed any of our past webinars or events, remember that you can always catch up on our YouTube channel, join our Gearheads Network on Facebook, or explore new resources and job opportunities on our website. That wraps our March recap and April preview. If you have any questions about upcoming events or training programs, reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for staying connected with the Institute, and we'll see you next month.